welcome to my channel and добро пожаловать. Today I've got something incredible for you. I am so excited to share this amazing salmon and rice salad, which I love so much. It's just kind of very different. We have a traditional salad in Latvia, like crab stick salad, and I decided to do a different take with salmon and obviously add a few other bits in there. It's got my secret sort of low, it's not as fatty, it's not as fatty as just mayonnaise. We're going to be using cream cheese in there, so you can make it low fat if you wanted to, and it's just such a good salad, guys. You've got everything in there. You've got carbs, you've got protein, you've got good fats in there. It's so yummy, and you can also make in a smaller portions and then serve it at a dinner table for dinner parties or your family. Everyone will love you. I also think it's a perfect holiday dish for any, seasons like Christmas, Easter, or birthdays. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. All the links will be left in the description box down below, and I can't wait to see your salads. Now, let's get cooking. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut avocado in half and then deseed it. Gently tap on the seed in the middle and then take it out. Be really careful, make sure your avocados are ripe. Then using a spoon, go around the edges and scoop out the avocado meat onto your board. This one is a bit of a tricky one. Doesn't want to come out. Then chop your avocado into small pieces. We want to make sure our cubes are very similar and are pretty much the same size. So just cube it up just like that. And if you have any large pieces, you can make them a bit smaller. It should be just like this. Now, to stop avocado from browning, take a bit of lemon and squeeze a lemon juice on top of avocado and just set it aside. This will stop it from browning. I love the salmon. Look at the color. It's all natural and absolutely delicious. So we're going to be using the salmon. It's sushi grade. Next, we're going to take our salmon fillet. What we want to do, we want to take out the skin. So hold the salmon, do a little cut at the end, and then just almost like hold the skin that you've cut off, and using a fish knife, gently take off the skin. It takes a bit of practice to do this, but it's never too late to start practicing. Now you want to chop your salmon into small, nice pieces. And because the salmon is such high quality and natural, it is absolutely fine to eat it like that. We eat a lot of raw salmon in Latvia, and if you're not sure, make sure it's a sushi grade salmon as well. Once you chopped up your salmon, you want to add a little bit of salt and just leave it aside. Now, to make the sauce in a bowl, add cream cheese, and then we're gonna add mayonnaise. I'm only using a little bit, so this salad is actually very, very healthy. Sprinkle your dill. You can use fresh or dry, it's completely up to you. Then add seasoning, salt and pepper, and squeeze more lemon juice inside. You want to mix everything together until your mixture becomes nice and creamy, just like this. This sauce is delicious. You can use it anyway for any fish dish in the future if you wanted to. In a bowl, add your chopped salmon. Then you're gonna add your avocados. Lastly, you want to add your cheese and rice. I like to add all the ingredients in one bowl. It makes it so easy. And then lastly, add your sauce. If you want to add more sauce, you can just add more mayonnaise or cream or yogurt. It depends if you want it lighter or heavier. Then mix everything together with a spoon, but be very gentle not to break your avocado. Once all the flavors are mixed in, the salad is done. It looks so amazing. It's a perfect dish for any holiday season, for people that don't like to eat meat but they love the fish, so pescatarian diet. You can serve it in mini portions just like this I'm showing you in a video. I'm just using a standard mold and then shaping it like that. Serve it with a little bit of lemon and fresh parsley and your salad is done. It's quite a filling dish, so I would serve it as a mini starter between few people or as a main course. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe.